Hi and welcome to DataHawk. Maintaining a competitive edge on Amazon is no mean feat, especially if you're not keeping a tab on your competitors. We'll talk about the various decision criteria and DataHawk tools for identifying potential competitors at scale. With DataHawk, you can see the number of active, inactive, and new sellers, daily sales volume, and revenues from brands and their products. You set up an alarm notification. The alarm system will automatically notify you of the changes in your competitors' inventory, pricing, reviews, rating, revenues, etc. So you're always one step ahead of your competition. By gathering competitors' data, it helps you get a clear image of where your business positions in the market. To sum up, it gives you an idea of how you're doing as compared to your competitors. Here's how you can identify your competition in the best possible way. Let's talk about the various decision criteria. The first one could be product. Your competitors are not just those who are selling the same products like yours, but also other brand sellers who are selling products that can be purchased as supplements to what you are selling. It is therefore important to track your competitors' products and thus derive who is your direct and indirect competitor. DataHawk's product research tool can help you to easily identify your competitor's best-selling product and monitor the product price, review, sales, profit margins, and inventory amounts. The next one is pricing. Pricing is a crucial factor as it is one of the deciding factors in your potential customer's decision to buy. It also affects your buy box share. Using DataHawk's buy box tracker, it will help you to increase your probability of winning the buy box, as our insights will help you understand your competitive dynamics, henceforth adjust your product's pricing accordingly. The next is rating count and star ratings. First things first, the number of ratings in the top selling category results in an easy way of judging the competition of a search term. If the top 5 on the list all have 4.5 out of 5 ratings, you know they're all selling fairly well, and therefore this may be a very high competition. For instance, if a product has both a large number of reviews and an average score of 4.5 or more stars, you're going to struggle to compete. You can easily assess the competition by using the competition scorecard on both the products as well as keywords. Let us now dive deep into how we can identify competitors at scale. You can go to the keyword rank tracker for this. Tracking changes in a product's keywords ranking is a good way for you to benchmark your performance against your competitors and extract insightful learnings from how they are piloting their Amazon business. It allows you to discover the keywords for which your competitors' products are ranked and track how their ranks change over the time. You then get to compare those findings to your own products and better understand from where they drive sales, as well as how their SEO efforts, price positioning, PPC strategy, and other advertising techniques might be explaining the gap between their performance and yours. For instance, how this product is ranking from day 1 to day 2. The star sign you see here shows the product is sponsored on this day. With these techniques, you can thus compare the overall performance of your product and your competitors while ranking on the same or similar long-tail keywords. You should note that such a competition monitoring approach is very helpful not only when you're actually an existing seller within a specific niche, but also when you're considering launching new products, as you can get better sense of the degree of competition you would encounter beforehand. You can monitor the listings to find some of the keywords your potential competitors use, or you could also track an ASIN using DataHawk. How can you do it? Simply identify a set of short tail keywords that best represent the products categories you're benchmarking and track them on DataHawk. For instance, we have tracked the keyword brow shaper. It had a competition score of 76%. It is also important to monitor the monthly search volume and average ratings. DataHawk keyword research also gives you a list of products ranking organically on any keyword along with the information of their position and page numbers. Use DataHawk keyword lookup to identify your competition. For instance, if your product is Chic Silk Touch Derma Planning Tool, you can simply go to the keyword lookup and check the keyword suggestions like that. You will have keyword suggestions like Derma Planning Tool, Eyebrow Trimmer, Eyebrow Razor, etc. You can track the keywords that matter to your product, then follow the same process of tracking the products that rank for it organically. In this case, we found that Finishing Touch Flawless Dermaplane Hair Removal Tool is ranked number 1 on page 1. You could then go ahead and check its listings keywords and make them yours by adding them to your own listings and bidding on them if required. Another very important tool that you can use is the Bestseller Rank Tracker tool. The DataHawk Sales Rank Tracker is the most powerful tool to monitor the sales performance of any product on Amazon by tracking daily changes in sales rank or Amazon bestseller rank in up to 5 browse nodes or categories. By monitoring changes in sales rank across different categories for your products and others competing in the same niche, you can extract insights about the potential sales performance of your competitors and leverage other data points to outperform them. For example, we identified the top competitors for Chic Derma tool using DataHawk's BSR tracker in category tools and accessories. Here's your list of top 100 products in the category. This enables you to draw comparisons and help you analyze your competitive landscape. You can also use sales rank data to run product research by unveiling top-selling products and thus identifying your competitors in that category. That's it for this episode, guys. Let us know in the comments section if you have any questions on how to use these tools. You can also read our detailed articles. Click on the link below. I'll see you in the next episode.